Momobells, a short story of underwater unity, the tale of Finn and Ollie. A clever octopus named Ollie and a colorful little fish named Finn. Finn always swimming around and exploring the coral reefs. Ollie, on the other hand, was a master of camouflage, hiding among rocks and observed the secret. Finn spotted Ollie behind a coral reef. Ollie quickly changed colors, trying to blend in the reefs. Finn admired Ollie's camouflaging skills. Finn swam around in circles with excitement. They joined and traveled through the ocean. They encountered schools of fish, danced with graceful sea turtles, played hide and seek with dolphins. As days passed, a dangerous current swept through the ocean, threatening to separate the friends. Finn struggled to stay. Ollie quickly sprang into action. Ollie guided Finn to a safe spot. Their friendship grew even stronger. Moral of the story: unity is strength. Thank you, friends.